G'day YouTube, I just bought this off Marketplace. It's a 500, 600 litre fuel pod thing for diesel. I'm going to use it for carting gear, carting this to gear, feed gear. Want to get some bigger machinery. It's in pretty good nick. Tank's really nice, no rust. Guards got a little bit of rust and stuff like that, but it's nothing too serious. It's got a wicked little pump on the front of it. Hasn't been used for a few years. A valve on the bottom and a drain on the front. When you give that a few flicks, it actually starts siphoning really easily, which would be cool if you're trying to fill a jerry can up off it or whatever. But this might allow me to go and buy fuel in bulk and get a better deal, or buy a bulk amount of fuel when I've got some money, or a good win off a job or something like that. Put the profit into diesel, so that when you're working around, you've got plenty of it. The truck's going to use a lot. I was going to put an electric pump on the truck, but this popped up cheap and I couldn't say no, so I'm about to blast it with some etching primer and then some silver paint, and then we'll sticker it up and sign write it so it stands out. Yeah, I thought I'd give you a look at it first, what it looks like now, work out its actual capacity as well, and I'll also probably put a flow meter on the outlet of this so you can see how much diesel you're putting in, whatever you're doing. I can go and fuel up my mate's equipment and stuff like that too. Yeah, get it clean and then I'll start priming her.